Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create player 222 or the pregnant women from Squid Game 2 in Rest and Press without VIP. Okay guys, first of all, for the hairstyles, you're going to choose this one. And for this one, you're going to choose only bangs and you're going to make it black for all the selection. Okay, and then you're going to put on this pant, and then for the toggle make it adjusted for shoes, and for the color you're going to make it this color for the first selection and make it light silk. Okay, and then the next one I'm going to put on this shirt, and then we're going to apply the same color. For the texture, just make it light silk. Okay, and then I'm going to move to this area and put on these shoes, and we're going to make it white for all the selection. Okay, just make it all white like this, guys. All right, almost done. Okay, and the next one I'm going to go to this area, and we're going to grab this pumpkin, and for the pumpkin just make it the same color, this color, and then we're going to make it light silk. All right, and then we're going to go to the dressing room, and from here I'm going to choose this doll and select toggle 3, and for the color I'm just going to make it the same color for all the selection. Okay, and the third selection and the last selection. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this jacket, guys, and make it light silk, and again we're going to apply the same color. Okay, apply this green color and also combine it with white for the second selection, and for the third selection make it green, and also for the fourth selection. All right, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.